Hi, Steve here from Integral Fire Protection. Today, I'll be running you through a few helpful tips on how to use a fire extinguisher. Remember, you should only fight a fire if you are trained and confident to do so. Before approaching a fire, you must first identify the class and type of fire you are about to attack, and make sure that you have selected the correct type and size of fire extinguisher to extinguish it. Make sure the fire extinguisher you select is large enough to successfully extinguish the fire. Remember, the larger the fire, the larger the extinguisher you will need. If you deem the fire safe enough to extinguish and you are confident to do so, you may now prepare to fight the fire. Remember to clear the designated area, identify what is burning, check that the fire has not started to spread, have an escape route, and make sure that there is no danger of smoke inhalation. When fighting a fire, it is important to test the fire extinguisher before use, where possible approach from upwind and keep low, check for tripping and other hazards, always have a backup fire extinguisher ready, and remember, working in pairs is much safer than working alone. Once you are confident the fire has been extinguished, back away from the fire and beware of reignition. Don't ever turn your back on the fire, even if you believe it has been extinguished. Operating a fire extinguisher. Check the fire extinguisher has pressure and that it is the correct type of fire extinguisher for the fire you're about to attack. While the extinguisher is on the ground, remove the pin from the valve head with your preferred hand. Hold the hose firmly with your opposite hand. Place your preferred hand under the handle and raise the extinguisher to a comfortable height ready for use. While holding the extinguisher firmly, aim the hose at the base of the fire and test that it works correctly. Then squeeze the trigger and sweep from side to side, covering the base of the fire with the contents of the fire extinguisher. In order to eliminate any risk of your fire extinguisher not working as intended, it is important to have it serviced every 6 months as outlined in Australian standards. After use, your fire extinguisher should either be replaced or refilled by a trained technician. Integral Fire Protection are your fire protection specialists. If you have any questions or require further information on anything fire and safety, please do not hesitate to contact us on 9467 7319 or visit our webpage at www.integralfireprotection.com.au. And remember, take care because we care.